Hey beauties, welcome to today's video. You can clearly see that this is not my usual filming space. I am out camping, enjoying some nice weather. But the day before I went camping, I did receive my Summer Fabfitfun box. So I figured what better time and place to do this than here. It's the start of summer. Already starting to enjoy it. There's a beautiful lake behind me. Fire's crackling in front. Enough of that though. We're here because we want to see what's in this bad boy. Again, this is the Summer Fabfitfun for 2022. As always, you get the magazine. It says some things about the products that are in it. It gives you some recipes for things. Very cool. Take out the paper. I can't remember, but I think some of these might have been add-ons. I don't know. This is what it looks like. We're just gonna start. The first thing I'm pulling out is the KO body scrubber. Getting this little card jumping out at me. This is a $15 off your first Fabfitfun box. If anyone wants to pause the screen and use that code, by all means, feel free. And then they also gave some summery themed stickers, which my children have already claimed. Okay, so this body scrubber, let's see what this is. Oh, okay, it's just like a silicone scrubber mat. This would actually be great for cleaning your makeup brushes on if you didn't want to use it on your body, which I think might be what I end up using that for. And then I got the Truly Clear, what is this? Truly Gone Acne Fighting Super Dots. 72 individual super dots. So these you put on your pimples and it's supposed to make them go away. My 14-year-old daughter has actually been asking me to buy her these, so thanks Fabfitfun, now I don't have to. Oh, we got some La Tweeze Pro Illuminating Tweezers, 24 karat gold plated. I love the box it comes in. It's like a little purse. Let's open her up. You get this. What is this? I think this is just a case that they go in. How does this open? Okay, so this just pulls open and then you can put your tweezers inside. Hit the little button and you can see that they light up. That will be amazing for plucking those small little hairs. If you can hear quad and kids in the background, that is my daughter and her friend. Both my kids brought friends with them out camping. Two of them are out fishing on the boat, the teenagers, and the two younger ones are quadding. I had to wait a minute for the kids to leave on the quad. It's still in the background, but not as bad. IGK Legendary Dream Hair Shampoo and Dream Hair Conditioner. These are the cutest little travel size bottles. These are gonna live in my camper trailer. I will maybe use these tonight. Hourglass. This is the Veil Soft Focus Setting Spray. This is an add-on that I did put in there because Hourglass is an amazing brand. They are very expensive. I love their foundations. I've never tried this setting spray, so I'm very happy to add that to my collection. There are so many people camped out around here. I really don't know what they're thinking right now as I sit here with my camera and talk to it. Ingrown hair pads from First Aid Beauty. So that's interesting. I do shave, so you know, I have gotten the occasional ingrown hair. I will try these out. Says swipe pad over clean dry skin daily. Begin using day after shaving or waxing. Also from First Aid Beauty, we've got the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA, safe for sensitive skin, I like having body scrubs. I don't have a current one that I'm using right now, so that is really handy. There's this tiny little hourglass arch brow pencil. I mean, this thing is tiny. It is unbelievably tiny. I thought it was gonna be the full size. It is not. From Anastasia Beverly Hills, I got the satin lipstick. The packaging is really cute. I do like the nude color of the packaging. It matches like the nude color of the lipstick. Let me give you a swatch. I don't know if you'll be able to see it in this lighting. It is right in here. It is a beautiful peachy nude shade, which I love wearing. I don't wear a lot of bold colors on my lips. Usually it's my eyes that have the boldness going on. I have just a couple things left in the box. The first one is the Fenty Beauty mascara. I do already own this. I love this mascara. Works amazing. So this will be a backup. I'll keep it in my backup drawer at home for when I run out of the other one. Pure Cosmetics. We have the Iconic Glow Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil. The box is really pretty. It's kind of holographic-ish and silvery. Now there's dogs barking. Ooh, this is what it looks like. It is this beautiful gold shimmery dry oil. I will be using this summer. Once I start to tan, that looks amazing. The last thing I have in here is the Lasting Smiles Sea Salt and Citrus Aromatherapy Candle. I love candles. I always have one burning in my beauty shop downstairs when I'm in there. Hopefully this one smells really good. Pull it out. This is what the candle itself looks like. It does smell really good. Definitely citrusy, kind of vanilla-y too in a way, but not like overly vanilla. It is a good thing that that was the last thing in the box, because with the dogs barking and the kids squatting, it's not as peaceful as I was hoping this video was going to be. But it's here. We had it with us. I wanted to do it. What better way to start off summer than with the Summer Fabfitfun box, right? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you do enjoy videos that are filmed out while I'm camping, let me know. I do a lot of camping with the family in the summertime, and I just find it would be such a shame to be out and not get my filming done, right? So let me know, do you like this kind of a backdrop? And until next time guys, have a fabulous day.